Okay, hopefully the wind's not too bad. Something about this truck I also want to say. This piece, rock panel, is, well, I found it online. It's only $20 for the rocker panel. Well, 21, 22, something like that. But I lack the experience or the knowledge on how to actually do it because it's beyond me. But like I said, I'm pretty happy with this. It's not perfect, but it's still an all original truck. All original pieces. And there's, I'm guessing, evidence of when it was a fire truck at one point. Because it went from olive drab to white with red to white. And my purpose of this video, hold on a minute, because I want to diagnose, or well, share something that's going on with this. Okay, you can tell I've cleaned it up. I was going to put another collage together, but there's only so long you can sit at a computer putting pictures together and try and figure out what the hell to say. It had a bad head gasket and it had a severe tick. When I got it all apart, there's a lot of loose stuff, and I think my tick could very well have been exhaust leak, because the center ports on both sides show evidence of where it was blasting through. Now everything's tight, everything's looking pretty decent. I painted the headers, just cleaned some stuff up, simple things that I could do with what I have. But I'm going to start this, and when it comes to temperature, it starts this intermittent knock, and it's deep. It's not a rod knock, because that would be doing it immediate on the get-go no matter what. It does have a slight lifter tick on initial startup, which I'm not too worried about, but it's after it's warm, the intermittent knock is what drives me nuts, because that means I gotta take, well, I believe it's a timing chain, but we'll see. Hold on, the keys, let's see how it goes. All right. All right, come on, John. Come on, buddy. I know you got to go. All right, well, maybe not. Let's have some fun with this. Well, everything was fine when I got it back together. Fuel line may have sucked back down, or it's also hasn't been done in a while. It's just a all right. Well, I just need to get something to stand on, so I can reach up in here. I don't have any starting fluid, I don't think, but I do have some gas in a squirty bottle just for this purpose. So, not much. All right, John. Put your foot in the stirrup, grab the pommel, pull yourself up. All right, come on, John. And it roars. Okay. Let's see if I can bring the idle down. Alright, well, I guess that was a California cold start. I'm not sure if you can hear it. A real slight tap. Now while it's coming up to speed, or up to temp, I mean, it'll start doing this knock. So I'm hoping to document it, just get the feedback, will show someone what could be happening with theirs. Alright, well, I'm going to let this warm, and I'll come back when it starts doing it.